Although the term is often misused to describe something edgy or avant-garde, haute couture is a noun which literal translation in French is high sewing or dressmaking. Haute couture is the pinnacle of creative expression in the fashion industry, with very strict rules for qualification. The Fédération de la Haute Couture et de la Mode is the governing body of French fashion, which three chambers are divided by menswear, women's wear, and haute couture. The Chambre syndicale de la Haute Couture invites designers to show during the Haute Couture Fashion Week, and membership can be granted after being invited 4 times in a row. The eligibility for Haute Couture status depends on the designers meeting the following. They must create made-to-order garments in an atelier of at least 15 full-time staff. 2. They must employ 20 full-time technical workers in one of their ateliers. 3. Collections must be presented with a minimum of 50 original designs, including day and evening looks. 4. The collections must be presented to the public in January and July. 5. The collections must be created for private clients, with each piece requiring more than one fitting. The current members of Haute Couture include Adeline André, Alexandre Vautier, Alexis Mabille, Bouchra Gérard, Chanel, Christian Dior, Franck Sorbier, Jean-Baptiste Valli, Givenchy, Jean-Paul Gaultier, Julien Fournier, Maison Margiela, Maison Rabiquet-Rousse, Maurizio Galante, Schiaparelli, Stéphane Rolland.